Hello, it's Jialing. Today I'm going to paint the old street scene in Chifeng Jie. This street used to sell auto parts and hardware. And in recent years, many Wenqing coffee shops and characteristic stores have been stationed, add the literary atmosphere to the old street. Also attract many young tourists to visit here.
来到赤峰街，然后画后面因为我喜欢它的那个店面的感觉，还有它的红色灯笼，那希望今天能够把它画好。
Okay, I found a good spot to paint. I want to paint this Japanese style restaurant because I like the red lamps and also the red oil. So after finish my drawing, I start my first wash as usual using yellow ochre from the top to bottom. I start my wash above the awning and put the red paint to paint the awning area. Adding some green accent to compare to what I see in front of me. You may see I flatter my board because I don't want the pen to flow down too much and splash more green paint randomly. Now I paint my middle area. Leave the red lamp paper white. I will do it later, and other area just put in the gray paint, gray mixtures, and then put the red. It's quite easy, right? In this stage, I let the paint flow and mix with surrounding the areas. It's okay. I don't want the hard edge, so let it blend and through a little bit. And I plan to make the focal point in the middle ground. One or two people is my main address. I also leave the paper white of the car's windshield. And continuing doing using the blue-gray mixtures to paint the ground. So the first wash finish and let the paper dry. And now I begin my second wash. I just adding more details, not detail, just making more look like exterior wall. And don't be too fussy. We just need to make it feel like the wall. So in my second wash, I need to paint the middle and dark tone. So under the arcade and inside the shops, it will be dark. So now I make the dark gray mixtures and to paint this area and paint around the red lamp. And you can see I spent more time on this place because it's my focal point area and I need to paint many negative shapes painting. Okay, the painting is nearly finished when I'm using opaque white to highlight some area. Painting in Chifengjie, this experience quite interesting. I can feel the residents live in this neighborhood is quite close and very nice. The owner of this restaurant also come to see how I paint and chatting with us. It's quite interesting. Okay, the painting is finished. I quite enjoy painting here. If you like old street, old things, and explore new shops, you need to come here and visit. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye bye.